to pay all of my dues. You share to trust in His word now. Keep my heart and love on my brother, and not to ask him how. Oh, if I just hope He said He would be true. This is why I got to keep on. Oh, why I got to keep on. I got to pray a little bit harder. Keep my soul away from the devil. Jesus said to get myself ready, prepare myself to travel. Oh, if I just pray, He said He would keep me. This is why I got to keep on. Oh, why I got to keep on. He said I'm going away to prepare a place for you.